if you want to calibrate battery on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you need to check your battery health by going to your not settings, go to your App Store, Google Play, right? And then basically go to iPhone or Apple support, right? And you're gonna wait and then download the Apple support to check your battery health, right? And basically, or you can just go ahead to the settings, simply go to the battery, go to the battery health and charging, make sure right here to see the maximum capacity. And if you have a problem like the window that the pop-up window that you are now currently seeing, your battery health is significantly degraded, an Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. Okay, if that problem occurs, make sure that you visit nearest carrier as soon as possible. Right, and now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go again to the battery health, and here you're gonna see the optimized battery charging. Make sure that you turn on this option. Okay, next what you're gonna do, you need to charge to 100 and keep charging. Okay, and now plug your iPhone into the charger and allow it to reach 100 charge, and after it hits 100, keep it plugged for at least 2 more hours to ensure the battery is completely saturated, right? Step 4, use your iPhone until it drains completely. After charging, unplug your iPhone and use it throughout the day as you usually would keep using your iPhone until it completely drains and shuts down it on its own, and make sure not to recharge it at any point during the process. And next step, charge again from 0 to 100. Okay, and once your iPhone has fully drained, plug it again and allow it to charge uninterrupted until it reaches 100%. And it's best to do this overnight so your device can go from 0 to 100 real quick, right, without any interruptions. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.